Come on, Mama. You can do it.
Vente.
Come on, Mama. You know how to roll over. Come on, Sweet Pea. Come on, Mommy.
Oh, you got this arm. Put this arm in. Try now. Try now.
Come on, Mama. Oh, baby, don't do that.
So she just know what direction
She
to go.
knows how to do it.
No, she's struggling. She's not gonna flip with her arms like that. See?
Well, put her arm out, but don't try to pull her over.
Okay, now. Do it now.
Okay, Mommy. She really hates tummy time.
Put your arm up. Yeah, I do it.
You know.
I have to fly and come down. Whiny. Okay.
All right, Mama. Let's see you roll over. Come on. Let's see you roll over. Can you do it? Come on, little Mama. I know you can. Come on, Mama.
We got work today. Landscaping, Kubota tractor and excavator. Mowing with Kubota zero turn from Huntsville tractor and equipment.
Oh, that straining's making her poot.
Depends on the quality of your machines.
Come on, Mama.
Zero turns from Huntsville tractor and equipment.
There you go. There you go. Come on.
From 37 years. Going the extra mile so you finish on time. Huntsville tractor and equipment.
You can do it. Come